Mama, Dad, please tell me a beautiful story.
Okay, tonight we'll tell you a beautiful story from the Quran about a prophet named Yaqub alayhis salam. He was not just a prophet, but also a loving father, a lot like Baba here.
And he had many sons. One of them was Yusuf, a very special boy. Yaqub loved all his sons, but Yusuf had something amazing in him.
One day, little Yusuf came to his father and said,
Daddy, I saw a dream. The sun, moon, and 11 stars were bowing to me.
Yaqub knew right away this was a special dream. He told Yusuf not to share it with his brothers, because sometimes people can feel jealous.
And sadly, that's exactly what happened. Yusuf's brothers became jealous, so much that they did something very wrong. They took Yusuf far away and left him in a deep, dark well. Then they ran home and told their father Yusuf was gone. Can you imagine how painful that was for Yaqub?
But he didn't scream or shout. He didn't get angry with Allah. He cried. Yes, he cried a lot. So much that his eyes turned white from sadness. But he kept saying, I will have beautiful patience. And do you know what happened in the end?
Allah reunited Yaqub and Yusuf in the most beautiful way. Yusuf had grown up and become a leader in Egypt. When they finally hugged again after so many years, Yaqub's eyes healed, and his heart overflowed with joy.
See, my loves,
From Yaqub,
we learn that sometimes life is hard, but if we hold on to patience and faith, Allah always gives us something even better in the end.
and always remember, never let jealousy break your family. Love your siblings, stick together.
That's what makes a family strong.
Even when everything feels lost, patience and trust in Allah can bring back the light. Family matters. And real love means never giving up on each other.